Crash course on Thai politics, an exploration of Thailand's political system, including its constitution, political parties, and key political figures. Certainly. Thailand's political system is a constitutional monarchy with a long history of military coups and political instability. Despite this, the country has made significant progress towards democratic governance in recent years, with a new constitution adopted in 2017 and the first general election held under the new constitution in 2019. One interesting story is the role of the monarchy in Thai politics. The king is revered as a symbol of national unity and continuity, and is often seen as above politics. However, the monarchy has at times played an active role in politics, particularly during times of crisis. For example, in 1992, the king intervened to end violent clashes between pro-democracy protesters and the military government, which led to the resignation of the prime minister. Now, let's take a look at the top 12 key political figures in Thailand. King Maha Vajiralongkorn, the current king of Thailand, who ascended to the throne in 2016 after the death of his father, King Bhumibol Adulyadej. Prayut Chan-o-cha, the current Prime Minister of Thailand, who came to power after leading a military coup in 2014. He also serves as the head of the National Council for Peace and Order, the military junta that ruled Thailand until 2019. Yingluck Shinawatra, the former Prime Minister of Thailand, who served from 2011 to 2014. She was the first female Prime Minister in Thailand's history and the sister of former Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra. Thaksin Shinawatra, a former Prime Minister of Thailand, who served from 2001 to 2006. He is the founder of the Thai Rak Thai Party, which won a landslide victory in the 2001 elections. Abhisit Vejjajiva, a former Prime Minister of Thailand, who served from 2008 to 2011. He was the leader of the Democrat Party, the oldest political party in Thailand. Anutin Charnvorakul, the current Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Public Health. He is the leader of the Bumjathai Party, which is part of the current coalition government. Prayut Wongsawan, the current Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defense. He is a retired general and was a key figure in the military junta that ruled Thailand from 2014 to 2019. Somkid Jatusripatak, a former Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, who served under Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha from 2015 to 2020. He was a key architect of the government's economic policies during that time. Suthep Thasuban, a former Deputy Prime Minister and leader of the anti-government protests that led to the 2014 military coup. He is a member of the Democrat Party. Chuan Leakpai, a former Prime Minister of Thailand, who served 2 non-consecutive terms in office from 1992 to 1995 and from 1997 to 2001. He is a member of the Democrat Party. Thanathorn Wongrongruangkit, a prominent opposition figure and the former leader of the Future Forward Party, which was dissolved by the Constitutional Court in 2020. He is a vocal critic of the current government and the military's role in Thai politics. Piyabudur Senkanokul, a prominent opposition figure and co-founder of the Progressive Movement, a political movement that advocates for democratic reform in Thailand. He was formerly. In conclusion, Thai politics is a complex and often controversial topic, with many key figures and parties playing a role in shaping the country's political landscape. From military coups to constitutional reforms, the history of Thailand's politics is a rich and fascinating subject that deserves further exploration. Sure, here is a poem and a song about Thai politics. Poem. In the land of smiles, politics can get heated. With leaders rising, falling, and wars of words unseated. From the past to the present, the game of power plays on. With a constitution, parties, and key figures to lean on. The monarchy reigns supreme, a symbol of the nation. With a king, a queen, and a prince in succession. Yet the political parties vie for control. Each with their own vision and goal. Some use force, some use peace. Some play by the rules, others just cheat. But at the end of the day, the people have a say. In who leads them and shows them the way. With a history full of turmoil and strife. Thailand's politics can be a difficult life. But with perseverance and hope in sight. The people can make their future bright. Song. Verse 1. In the land of smiles, politics can get wild. Leaders rise and fall, with words unbridled. Constitution, parties, key figures to see. The game of power plays on endlessly. Chorus. Thai politics, a story to be told. With a king, a queen, and a prince to behold. Parties vying for control, a nation in flux. But the people's voice will never be boxed. Verse 2. Some use force, some use peace. Some play by the rules, others just cheat. But at the end of the day, the people have a say in who leads them and shows them the way. Chorus. Thai politics, a story to be told. With a king, a queen, and a prince to behold. Parties vying for control, a nation in flux. But the people's voice will never be boxed. Bridge. With a history full of turmoil and strife. Thailand's politics can be a difficult life. But with perseverance and hope in sight, the people can make their future bright. Chorus. Thai politics, a story to be told. With a king, a queen, and a prince to behold. Parties vying for control, a nation in flux. But the people's voice will never be boxed. ******. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Thailand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Thailand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.